Appu has the largest library of rhymes and songs in the world, in English and many other languages.
I have a history that's rather interesting. Earlier I wasn't thought to be such a pretty thing, but perceived as an ugly flower, and that is why by the Spanish I was nicknamed sickness of the eye. Of asters, sunflowers, and daisies I'm akin. I'm named after the German botanist Johansen. I'm native to South America and Mexico. In places with a hot climate, I like to grow. As I'm pretty, common, and grow easily, everybody's flower is what they call me. I'm called a youth and old age flower too, as my old blooms look just as fresh as my new ones do. From midsummer until the first frost I bloom, my brightly colored petals simply banish the gloom. I invite butterflies and hummingbirds galore. I'm a perfect plant for gardens and pots kept indoors. My seeds scatter and produce new plants on their own. When my flowering stem is cut, a new stem is grown. My petals may be curved, pointed, patterned, or plain, and grow in a single or double rows. Do you know my name? You're a Zinnia. From your beauty, great pleasure we gain.
Like and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more musical fun.